So here we go, is the greenhouse. Open the door and I'll just have a quick look around and tell you what I've been doing. Now it's a bit of a shambles, as you can see, but it's been a long winter. Started to get things on the go. I've got some chilies there and MC over the back, that's micro cucumbers. First time, I don't know what they're going to be like. This here's some coriander. Then we've got some Marmande French type tomatoes there, and some rocket lettuce coming up. And these tomatoes here called Mr. Stripey. Last year, oh, they were so good, so tasty, and so colourful too. And then we walk along a bit. There's one of my castor oil plants that I've done a few videos on those. And there's an aloe vera. Aloe vera, I've got loads of those. There's an agave americano, I do believe. It's quite a small one, so I brought that inside for the winter so we don't lose it. And I think that one's called a peacock aloe. Then I've got some black plum tomatoes there, and some quite common, some Alicante. They're all coming on quite well. Another few days I'll probably have to prick those out and put them into larger pots. Then over the back and up on the high shelf we've got another agave, a little aeonium cutting just in there, that's starting to grow. Another agave, that one actually should be outside because that can go out. And I can't remember the name of that one. There's a parsley, that's it, parsley, which looks suspiciously dry, so as soon as I've finished videoing I shall give that a drink. Over here we've got some more succulent type plants. That's those. And down at the bottom, these are last year's grow bags, so I'm going to be taking those out. There's a banana there that got frost on it, that one, but that'll come through, that'll grow. These ones got a little touch of frost, but they'll come through as well. And this one, starting to grow quite fast now. Yeah, looks pretty good. Another agave. I do like my agaves, I've got them all over the place. I still don't know if they're called an agave or an agave. Perhaps somebody can tell me. There's some more, there's another herb down there. And, well, that's it. I just thought I'd show you what was going on. Hope you've enjoyed this little video. And, yeah, so that's about it. I'll shut the door, water that very sad looking plant there, and see you all again next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, please subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Great time of the year, isn't it? Things starting to wake up. Perhaps I'll just finish off with a view of the field at the back of my house. I normally do this. Hope you like it. I don't know what the farmer's going to plant in there this year. No doubt he'll think of something. He's been working there, doing something or other. Oh, there's a little lonely daffodil down there. And there's a few more little straggly ones up there underneath that bench. So, no more to say except bye.